Hi guys, Kelly with JK Cruising. So we were on the Celebrity Beyond recently with some of our friends. We cannot wait to show you this room tour. This is seriously one of the biggest interior rooms we've ever been in. It is so light and bright and airy that you really don't feel like you're in an interior room. The amount of storage in this room is unreal, and the bathroom is one of the best ones we've seen on a cruise ship in our mini cruises. So we hope you enjoy this room tour.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're JK Cruising. Okay, so here we are. We're going into our room for the first time. Well, let's go into use our little card here.
Hola, a very, very good afternoon, everybody, and welcome aboard the gorgeous Celebrity Beyond. It is your cruise director, Luigi here, truly hoping that you're having an incredible time out there.
A lot of room in this cruise ship, in this interior stateroom. It's amazing how much room is in here. You can walk on each side of the bed completely. Look at the little lounge chair you got here where you can lay back. The bathroom is over in the corner. It's sort of hidden because all the doors and panels are looking the same. They got the same finish on the outside. You got drawers here, multiple drawers. You can see we've already stuck some stuff in there just to get them out of the way. Nice clean look. We haven't unpacked yet or anything. We don't have any of our luggage in the room yet. You have 220 power. You have 110 power, and you have some couple of USBs here, and that closes down for a nice clean look. Got this cute little thing that you can buy here, like coral. So you can do that. You got your TV. They've given you a little magnifying glass, an Effie magnifying glass, so you can come and look at their jewelry later. Find all of your tickets for excursions here. We got a few of those coming. And then let's have a look at the bathroom real quick. Great artwork on the thing. Let's have a look in this little closet here. So you got a safe in there. You got your alarms in there. Laundry bags. They even provide you a little umbrella if you need one. And you've got more drawers over here, more space. That's pretty cool. And each side, you got USBs on each side with a little light. And you've got some little pocket drawers there you can put stuff in.
Did you see this little charging station?
Everything here is digital, so you can set the temperature. Not really sure I know what to do on these yet, but it says the window is disabled, so maybe later. Okay, looks like it's all set up. So you select these and it sets the lights to a specific dimness or brightness. Morning time. Turns the lights on. Brings the lights up kind of slowly. You've got some switches here. Turn the lights off completely. Let's have a look at this bathroom. What an amazing sized bathroom this is. Wow. You have to step up to go into the bathroom, but it's huge in here. You got some shelves there to put stuff on. Nice, modern looking sink. Pretty doggone cool. Glass shower completely closes. I really like that. All the other showers are kind of closed behind you, but look, you can stand in here and actually get a doggone shower. Got a nice shower head. Provide you shampoos and wash and stuff. You've got a little place to put your foot for the ladies if you're trying to shave your legs. That's pretty cool. But there's a lot of room in here. It's amazing how much room. Plenty of good acoustics in there as well, so you can sing in the shower if you'd like.
Did you see the little charging station?
They got power down there. Charging station. Yeah, I already got that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Closes off and lets you.
All right, we got all our excursion tickets. First one tomorrow,
What do we do tomorrow?
a Jeep tour.
Oh, a Jeep tour. Cool.
Awesome. And this cruise, we also did the behind the scenes. So we get to take a tour of the cruise ship behind the scenes.
What else is on the agenda?
We've got a catamaran sail and snorkel. And we've got a USS Kitty Hawk shipwreck snorkel adventure.
That'd be fun. What else?
That'd be cool. And then the
And the
behind the scenes. Yep.
Okay, so we got 3 or 4
All right.
things scheduled. So
So
we
we're
are going to
go
go meet our friends upstairs
for
and
lunch.
go for lunch at the Mast Grill. See what we can get into.
Everybody has 8.
All right, see you soon.
Please like, subscribe, and share our channel with your friends. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel with all your friends. So let's go cruising.